A true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. With these words, we, the students of class 11th, are here to remember the contribution of CDS General Bipin Rawat towards India's defense sector. General Bipin Lakshman Singh Rawat was born on 16th March 1958. He was a four-star general of the Indian Army. He was the first Chief of Defence Staff of India. With deep regret, it has now been ascertained that General Bipin Rawat, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other persons on board have died in an unfortunate accident. The Indian Air Force had confirmed a little before 2 p.m. that an Mi-17V5 helicopter with General Rawat on board had met with an accident near Coonoor, Tamil Nadu. The general was heading to the Defence Service Staff College in Wellington to address the faculty and students.
Good morning, the future of India, the young students of our country who will drive our great nation to the next level. Please remember that each one of you will play an important role in India's growth from a developing to a developed nation. Irrespective of the professional fields you pursue, the youth of our country hold the power of transformation of our great nation. The future of our nation is therefore in your hands. I know you all aspire for a great future, one that provides us with a clean, healthy, and uncorrupted environment. For this, we must keep our eyes open to witness all the events around us. We are all capable of differentiating right from wrong. Must we allow the wrongs to go unnoticed and the rights not to be rewarded?
I am here to tell about the educational qualification of General Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat attended Cambrian Hall School in Dehradun and the S.T. Edward School, Shimla. He then joined the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, where he was awarded the Sword of Honour. General Bipin Rawat was also a graduate of the Defence Service Staff College, DSSC, Wellington, and the Higher Command course at the United States Army Command and the General Staff College at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. From his tenure at the DSSC, he has a MPHIL degree in Defense Studies as well as diplomas in Management and Computer Studies from the University of Madras. In 2011, he was awarded a doctorate of philosophy by Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut, for his research on military media strategy.
Earlier life about General Bipin Rawat. I am here to speak about the earlier life and education of General Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat was a four-star general of Indian Army who was appointed as a first CDS of India on 30 December 2021. Chief of Defence General Bipin Rawat was born in Pawri, Uttarakhand. His father Lakshman Singh Rawat served of Indian Army and rose to the rank of Lieutenant General. His mother was a daughter of an ex-MLA of Uttarakhand, Uttarkashi.
Let us know about General Bipin Rawat's military career. On 16 December 1978, CDS Bipin Rawat was commissioned into the 5th Battalion of the 11th Gorkha Rifles, the same unit as his father Lakshman Rawat. He was appointed as the 27th Chief of Army Staff by the Government of India on 17 December 2016 and assumed office on 31 December 2016. He also served as 57th and the last chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee of the Indian Army. He was appointed as the Chief of Defence Staff (CDS) on 1 January 2020. Thank you.
I am here to speak about the honors of Mr. Bipin Rawat. During his career of over 40 years, he was awarded for gallantry and distinguished service with the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Yudh Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, the COAS Commendation on 2 occasions, and the Army Commander's Commendation.
You may not succeed initially. There will always be another chance that you will get in the coming years. Therefore, those who do not succeed initially should not lose hope. There is always another attempt that you can make to succeed. And in this, I would like to quote the famous Hindi poet Sri Sohanlal Dwivedi. This is what he had to say. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. So this is the message that Sri Sohanlal Dwivedi had for those who did not succeed initially, to say that success will come your way if you continue to work hard in the future.